Is this your idea of a fun Sunday afternoon? Are you done? Are you trying to get that sock in your mouth? Yeah? You're doing a very good job of pulling it off. Let's not stick it in our mouths, though. Let's keep it on our tootsies. You make all kinds of noises. Whoops. You make all kinds of noises. Hi. You're a silly ghost. Are you a silly goat, Gruff? You like to grab at stuff now? Good job getting those feet.